In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your trading account on HFM to your MT5 mobile app. So you are going to log into your HFM app. So when you are here, go to your menu at the lower left hand corner, click on it, then go to my wallet. So it will bring you here. Under your live account, depending on if you want to connect a demo account, if it's a demo account, you will click here and select the demo account that you want to connect to MT5. But for this, I want to connect a live account. And if you have any live account, you see them displayed here because it is live. But if you don't, then it means they have been archived if you had once created them, especially on HFM. So if you are having issue connecting your HFM account to your MT5 and you had once connected it to MT5, it means HFM had archived your trading account already and they have made it inactive. The only way is to create a new one, because when you click this drop down icon, you will see archived accounts, and for my own, if they have been inactive, if you don't trade it and there's no money in it, this is what happens to your account. And currently there is no option of restoring any account that has been archived already. So the only option we have now is to go back to the active account and click on open trading account. So we are going to select the one that allows us to have MT5, to connect it to MT5. So it supports MT5. These are the type of accounts. So you can choose the premium account, the cent account, the zero spread account, or the pro account, or pro plus. Now all of them support MT5. However, the bonus account that they will multiply your bonus 100%, it can only be traded on MT4. So we are going to go to the superior account tab and select the type that we want. The difference between these ones are just their spreads and their minimum deposit. So you will check the one that is suitable for you and then you will go for it. Okay. So now let us open with this. We click the zero spread and then click continue. Then we are going to select the MT5 here, which is what is marked, and then click continue. So you are going to select the account currency, which is US dollars that I prefer. Your leverage, they will give you a standard of 1 to 1000, but I can change it to 1 to 2000. Now ensure that you know what leverage is all about, because it can amplify your losses and it can also amplify your gains. Then enter an account nickname for it. This could just be like my best strategy. So that could be it, or you could give it according to the type of strategies that you do, which could be supply and demand. So you trade supply and demand in this particular trading account only, or you could write scalping account, whichever nickname that you want to give it. Then you are going to create a password right now that should have about 8 to 15 characters. It should have at least an uppercase, at least a lowercase, at least a number, and at least any of these special characters. Now this is the password that you are going to use to connect to MT5. Okay, if you forget this, you will be unable to connect it to MT5. So make sure that it's something you can remember. So let me go ahead and type the password. So when you enter your password, always ensure that you toggle this eye icon on and off. That will help you to check and confirm that what you entered is the correct password that you wanted, because sometimes you could have a typo error and you may think you typed it correctly the way you are having it in your head, and when you go to MT5 they will be telling you it's wrong. That means you did not type it well. So always ensure you toggle this on to check and confirm that it is correct, then you can proceed. So if you have someone that introduced you to HFM, you can use their referral ID by entering the number here. So if you are interested in using mine, you can make use of this number 304-38048. So I can't refer myself, so I am going to delete this. After you enter the introducing brokers ID, you can click open account. So our trading account has been created and they will send you an email. I have received the email just now. So they will send you an email containing your account number and containing the server name. In the email, you will see this is the trading account number. I am going to copy it, and then you will be given the server name as well that you will use. So together with the password that we just created, these three things are very important for connecting to MT5. So if you are unable to get the email, or maybe you have lost the email, you can also retrieve these three things: the server name, you can retrieve the trading account ID, again by going to your menu on HFM. So let's go back to HFM. So when you are in HFM, at the lower left hand corner, you are going to see menu. Click on it wherever you are on HFM. Click on the menu. It will open up this for you. Go to my wallet and then go to live accounts. So select any of the accounts that you have, whether this is my best strategy that we just created. Then you are going to click this drop down icon, click on it, and you will see the server name here, and also you are going to see your account ID. Then the password is the one that you just created while creating the account. So you can get these three information or three credentials from the app, from the trading account here in the app, or from the email they will send to you. So we have this already. Let us go and connect it to MT5. So click your MT5. So when you log into your MT5, at the upper left hand corner, click this icon. Then click on manage accounts. Then you are going to click the plus sign here at the top right hand corner. Then you will search for that Hfmarkets, or you can just search HFM or just Hfmarkets. So we have Hfmarkets Global. So we are going to click that. So click the server and check for the server that was given to us, which is Hfmarkets Global Live 3. Then we are going to paste the login number here that was given to us. Our login number was this. We will copy and paste it here. Now the password is the password that you use for creating the trading account. So we will enter it here. When you are done, click on login. And we are connected to our MT5. So we have successfully connected HFM to MT5. When you come under codes here at the lower left hand corner, you will see all the codes that are available for you to trade. When you come over at the upper right hand corner, there is a plus sign. Click on it and you will see all the assets available for you. They have been grouped into folders. You can click the cryptos, you click the major pro cryptos, you will see them. If you want anyone, just simply click this plus sign and it will be added to your quote immediately. Now you can click the home button to go back again to those folders. Go under forex, you can add anyone. The one you don't want, you can untick them again. So just add anyone that you are interested in it, and when you do that, it will be added to your quote. When I click this back button, you will see that all the ones that I added, they have been added already to the quote. If you want to go to the chart of any of them, just simply click and hold, then go to chart here, click, and it will take you to the chart. So if you want to take a trade, you can use these instant buttons of blue and red, rectangular and spherical. You will use them to trade. Now if we click this one, it will drop down the buy and the sell buttons for us. So we click, so it is showing us trading disabled because you need to deposit money into it. There are different reasons why you could have this trading disabled on your MT5. One of the reasons is that you have not deposited money into this trading account. So by the time we deposit money into it, it will activate the trading for us. So with this, we have successfully connected our HFM trading account to MT5. Now, if you have any other issue regarding how to connect your HFM account to MT5, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.